when he comes down with Ukenagashi, go ahead. I'm gonna push up, and when I hit, I want to hit to where it'll slide down. Go ahead, and I'm gonna use that to come through and then come in. So you don't want to meet 50-foot force. Go ahead and do it again. I don't want to meet it like this, because then there's a ricochet effect. So what I want to do is, as I'm meeting up, go ahead, I want to meet and collapse. And as it slides down, I'll slide and get in the right position. Now when you cut, you always want to cut with the bottom third of the blade. That's the ideal spot. It's sharper here than down here, okay? So you guys are going to go both left and right. So he's going to cut down. I'm going to go to my left, hit. And then I'm going to go to the right. He comes in, hit. See that? And I'm making sure that I'm keeping my timing. Go ahead. And I up here. And I'm back. I'll come again. Up here. And then if he comes in, even if he comes in with a ski, right, go ahead. I'm going to hit, come over the top. And he comes in, go ahead. Here, over the top. So the whole time you're using the sword to get the cuts as we're coming through, whether it's overhead or if they're coming in with a ski. The idea is to collapse. Look at the ski again one more time. When he comes in, I'm going to do this. I'm going to keep it real tight. So when I use this to push, slide around, it comes right over the top. You guys understand the drill we're running?